Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 16 Great Oak Lane in Pittsford.
This is the ultimate contemporary designer showcase in nature's paradise. So let's take a tour. The grand two-story foyer welcomes you with incredible light and opens to an expansive living room with cathedral ceilings, a wood-burning fireplace, and beautiful hardwood floors, leading to the dining room with crown molding and a wall of windows, all with nature views.
This is incredible open living with a great room, featuring a granite kitchen with soft glow shaker style cabinetry, high-end monogram stainless steel appliances, a center island butcher block, a breakfast bar, and parquet hardwood floors, open to a sunroom with beam ceilings, a wall of windows, and deck access, and a fireplace family room with beautiful hardwood floors, all with scenic nature views. The first floor also features a master bedroom or executive office with built-ins, hardwood floors, and an attached updated full bathroom, plus a powder room and laundry. The finished lower level provides great additional living space, with multiple activity rooms for entertaining, a gym, and potential guest space.
The upstairs features 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a powder room, including this master suite with cathedral ceilings, beautiful hardwood floors, and a spa bathroom.
Situated on almost an acre, this nature setting is extremely private and has an entertainment-sized deck overlooking the beautiful landscaping. Steps away is Bushnell's Basin and Eastview Mall.
Here we are in Schoen Place in the village of Pittsford.
This charming community offers great restaurants, shops, and is located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 16 Great Oak Lane in Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!